Video is on. Are we recording? Do we need to do this?
Let's roll.
Hey, folks, it's Randy right here at Riverside Ford of Tulsa. I got my buddy, Ricky Bennett, or as we call him, Pretty Ricky.
I didn't know if I was supposed to say my own name there, if you were going to intro me. That was nice of you. I appreciate that.
That was nice. Hey, we always we do things right in the Hot Rod Lounge. You know what I'm saying? Hey, so we're here this morning. We're going to talk just a very few minutes about this really cool vehicle that Ricky has sitting right here behind us.
Yeah.
And, Ricky, so it says it is one truck built to out-farm them all. What are we looking at here?
Man, you know, our great buddy Philip Thames from Fox Factory dropped off this ag truck. He needed a little oil change, rotate, asked us to get it done while he's in Houston this weekend. And he said, hey, why don't I leave it with you guys? Maybe you guys take a look over it. And that's kind of what we're doing. It's a pretty cool truck, Randy, when you talk about just all the features. The big idea behind this truck is it's going to be a super nice farm truck.
Super nice farm truck.
Nice farm truck. I mean, just amongst everything that you can get, just some of the items listed out on this truck. Pro Rodeo custom interior, which is a beautiful tan interior package there. It's got a hat rack in it.
It does have a hat rack in it. The part I saw, Ricky, this thing has a Starlink mount.
It does, right on top of that headache rack in the back. It's got a Starlink mount, so you can be anywhere in the world, right? And be able to have service and connection and be able to do any of your farm needs, I guess, or non-farming needs.
Well, and I think you could take it a step even outside the farming community. If you're a guy that or lady that just travels for work,
yeah,
and you need, maybe you're, like my dad does some consulting in the oil and gas business. This would be a great truck. Got your Starlink on the back. Thing will go anywhere.
Yeah,
15,000-pound winch.
You're not getting stuck with that thing.
No,
it's got some really cool features. Of course, the BDS 3-inch suspension lift. BDS being one of the best lifts in the game. Fox Performance shocks, steering stabilizers, 35-inch BF Goodrich tires on 18-inch method. What did you tell us yesterday? And they say those are beadlock wheels?
This particular set is not beadlock wheels, but I believe they do have beadlocks they can put on it. Yes.
Okay, excellent.
I backed up and looked at these and went, Ricky said these were beadlocks. I don't see the beads or the locks.
I didn't see it either, but I could have sworn it's what he said yesterday.
But how about some nacho lights?
Nacho!
So what I'm saying is these are nacho lights. They're mine.
Whatever.
Hey, so let's get back. The other thing I found was cool. If you run this thing off-road and you got to air the tires down, okay, this thing has a built-in compressor and an air hose mounted in the bed that you can pull out and air the tires back up. You could run pneumatic tools, if you were afraid of getting stuck needing to change a flat tire. You carry a little pneumatic jack, plug it in the back of your truck, pick it up, change tire.
And if all of that fails, your Starlink fails, your air compressor fails, all of this, for whatever reason, is not getting you done what you need to get done, you've got a two-way radio in the center console ready to save you, buddy. That's old school, you know what I mean?
It's built into the center console. I saw it in there this morning. I've been all over this truck. The Pro Rodeo interior is gorgeous.
Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm a sucker for one of those good King Ranch style interiors, but this is its own, and it's just, you'll see it. You'll love this interior.
How about its very own mounted axle and shovel on the headache rack?
Hey,
I mean,
literally anything you need to do.
They have absolutely thought of everything with this truck. And what we want to know, here's what we're after this morning. We want watch the videos, watch the links, look up the truck, and then just give us some feedback about, is this truck something a real farmer or rancher or oil field worker or, pipeline or somebody, is this a truck that would make sense for you to use in your business? Now, the great thing about the folks that have built this truck, they've got special teams to help with the financing as well.
Yeah, absolutely. They have 100% financing offered through very ag-specific banks that have partnered with them because the banks and the manufacturer really believe in the truck and what it can provide to anyone who may need all of these features here. One of the cool things also being with it, between everything else we've talked about, right? It's a workhorse. It's a Ford at the end
Right.
of the day. And you know what you're going to get with that 6.7 Power Stroke engine. You know exactly what your capability is going to be, and you pair it with all of these great accessories and upfits that are just going to make you more capable. It's all ran through the upfitter switches. There's no extra wires or
Oh, no.
anything anywhere. It's a very clean, very good job. And we just want to know, is this something that you see the value in? Could this help you on your daily life, everything that you're doing on the farm or not on the farm? Is this something you see the value in these ads?
Underneath, it is this one. It's a Ford Super Duty.
Yep.
So if you need to put a trailer behind it, it'll pull, it'll work, it'll tow. And I would assume, now this one's built on a Lariat platform.
Yes.
I would assume you could build it on an XL platform or an STX if you wanted to.
XLT. So you've got two options there. You can go XLT, a little less equipment, custom interior, everything still how you want it doctored up. Because you can actually take this ag package and you can add some additional items, take some
Right.
items away. They let you kind of custom upfit it. But yes, you can absolutely build it on an XLT platform or the way it's shown behind us in a Lariat Ultimate. That's going to have your heads-up display and all those top-of-the-line creature comforts on top of
Right.
everything else with this truck.
Man, I was looking in here. You could come home from work and take Mama to dinner in this rig. It is absolutely nice. You and me are going to get out of here and let the folks just look at the truck. If you've got a question, they can reach out to you or me right here at the dealership, Riverside Ford of Tulsa.
Yeah.
And we'd be happy to go over any of the details that we know and find out what we don't know.
Absolutely. we will.
Absolutely. So give us some feedback. Put it right there in the comments. We want to hear what you think about this great rig. For my buddy, Ricky Bennett, Pretty Ricky, I'm Randy Pearson. Behind the camera today is Mr. Travis Hall. Hey, folks, we'll see you down the road.